Hey guys, here is a step-by-step guide on how to delete all the system restore points in Windows 11 and 10. So okay, let's get started. Go to search bar and open settings. It's a gear type icon. Tap on it. Now go to system. As you can see here, go to system. Now search for about section. It's in the last. Tap on it. Now open system protection. As you can see here, open it. Now you have to tap on the configure here. And now, as you can see here, the current uses 0 bytes, and in your system, it will show some space here. To tap on the delete, continue. Now, tap on OK option. As you can see here, you need to implement the same steps for every drive to enable system protection. So guys, here was a small tutorial to how to delete all the system restore points. Thanks for watching.